Good morning, students. Today we are starting our second question, that is find the value of x if 3 by minus 5 is equal to x by 15. Now we are given these two rational numbers are equal and we have to find the value of x. Then as we know that two rational numbers are equal, then their cross product also will be equal. So as we know that two rational numbers are equal if their cross product is equal, so 3 by minus 5 x by 15 and their cross product will be equal. Why equal? Because two rational numbers are equal only when their cross product is equal. So we will write here x multiply minus 5, 3 multiply 15. Now minus 5 is in multiply in this side, then in that side it will go on divide. So you will cancel 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. It will be 3 3 ja 9 by minus 1. But we write the answer in standard form. So we will take this minus with numerator. That means minus 9 is answer. Now its second part you will try yourself. Now we are doing third part, that is 36 by x is equal to minus 4. Again we are given two rational numbers are equal. Now two rational numbers are equal, that means their cross product also will be equal. So let's we do. First of all, here is 36 by x is equal to, here is only minus 4. We will write it as minus 4 by 1. Now we know that these two rational numbers are equal, so their cross product will be equal. So we will write like this: 36 by x minus 4 by 1 and their cross product is equal. Now we will do cross multiplication. X multiply minus 4 and 36 multiply 1. Now this minus 4 is in multiply, then in that side it will go on divide. 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36. So 9 1 ja 9 and this will be minus 9 our answer. Now fourth part again you will try yourself. Now we are starting our third question. Dear students, third question is just like question 1. As we did first question of this worksheet, similarly we can do the third question. We have to compare the rational numbers. Here I am doing only first part, the remaining part all of you will try yourself. So look at this first part. Now it is given that minus 2 by 9 comma 8 by minus 36. Now you have to compare these two rational numbers. Compare means you have to tell either these rational numbers are equal और विच इज़ ग्रेटर. दैट मीन्स हमें ये बताना है कि ये दोनों रैशनल नंबर इक्वल हैं या फिर इनमें से एक ग्रेटर है और दूसरा स्मॉलर है. सो हाउ वी विल डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट while doing comparing we will change the negative sign of denominator into positive. That means जब भी हम टू रैशनल नंबर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे हमें ये श्योर कर लेना चाहिए कि इसका डिनोमिनेटर है वो पॉजिटिव हो. वी मेक इट श्योर दैट डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी पॉजिटिव. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दैट हियर विद डिनोमिनेटर इज नेगेटिव साइन, so we will make it positive. How we will make it positive? We will take this minus sign with the numerator. So we will write it like this: minus 2 by 9 and this minus will go with the numerator. It will become minus 8 by 36. Now as we know that to compare we will do their cross product. So we will do here cross product. Now minus 2 multiply 36 and minus 8 multiply 9. Now you will multiply 2 multiply 36, it will be 72 and here minus plus will become minus. 8 9 ja 72 and here minus plus will become minus. Now you can see here is minus 72, here is also minus 72. So these two are equal. That means these two rational numbers also will be equal. Now there is another method. There is also another method to do this same question. So we look at another method also. Now it was minus 2 by 9 comma 8 by minus 36. In first method we only change the sign of denominator, but in another method you will write these rational number in standard form. Now you can see that it is already in standard form. Why? Because here is no sign with the denominator and 2 and 9 we cannot cut on a single table, so it is already standard form, so we will write it as it is. Now here you can see that 8 and 36 can be cancelled on the table 4, so we will cut it on the table 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 9 ja 36, so it will become now 2 by minus 9. But according to standard form we also have to change the sign of denominator, so we will take this sign with numerator, so it will become now minus 2 by 9. Again I am repeating, in another method we will change it both rational number into standard form. First rational number is already in standard form, second rational number is not in standard form. We firstly make it into standard form. What is standard form? There should not be no negative sign with the denominator, so we will take this negative sign with the numerator. Also second rule was both numerator and denominator should not cancel on a single table, but we can cut it on the single table 4, so we will cut it on the table 4.